Our next game is called Dead Bodies. In this game, we're going to have a scene of a made-up play that you guys are going to give us the title of, performed by Nathan and Michal and Rebecca. But unfortunately, the actors have died. They're acting now, just they're not really dead. But in this scene, Joel is playing the excitable stage manager who, in the theme of The Show Must Go On, runs on stage. He already knows the lines. He's going to use the actors as puppets to play the rest of the scene. At some point, Rebecca is going to come on, say a line, and then die as well, just to make things a little bit harder for Joel. So what we need from you guys is the title of this fictitious play.
Electric Drill.
Electric Drill. Electric Drill, the play. Take it away.
What's happened to the electric drill, Stan?
What? I only bought that drill yesterday. Give it to me. I hope I haven't been conned at the DIY shop.
You haven't been conned. You just don't know anything about electrical appliances.
Oh, here we go. You're blaming me again for the lack of electrical working in this flat when all you ever do is nag. Well, I'm not gonna take it anymore. I've had enough.
You had enough? You had enough? These shelves have been waiting to be put up for 5 months, and you say you had enough? Unbelievable!
Don't raise your voice at me! How dare you! I can't stand it! In my ears! Every day, slime in this ear, slime in that ear, it's just rubbish!
You're pathetic. You don't know. God, stand up! Sit up! Sit up, look at me! Oh. I understand why we fell in love all those years ago.
Yes, it's your fiery passions. Give me the drill.
Hey, lady, I'm here to...
Who's that?
I've never seen it before in my life.
You've never seen him before. What's going on, Stan? Who's this woman?
What are you doing here now? You told me you would be away until Thursday.
Stan, what's going on? I didn't. I'm so tired of you. I can't keep up this double life. What double life?
This, I have to tell you, I am a bigamist. I've had two wives all this time, and I'm fed up of it. I'm fed up of always having to do DIY. You're always trying to make me put up shelves. I've got to do it in your house and your house. So that's why the shelves have never gone up? Yes!
I can tell. I'll just sit here. I'll lie here, and I'll think of all the good times we had. Well, I won't. You can have each other, you and you, and I'm gonna go back to the DIY store and buy myself a new drill.
I think we better cut it there before Joel dies as well.